Question 15 says, what is the value of the expression below? And I noticed that in my expression there are bars around my numbers. And I recognize those bars as absolute value symbols. So when I read this expression, I would say the absolute value of negative 8 plus 4 minus the absolute value of 3 minus 9. And before we dive into the question, let's review the concept of absolute value. If I show that on a number line, I would count my steps away from 0. Let's consider the example of 2 and negative 2. 2 and negative 2 both are 2 steps away from 0. And as in real life, there is no such thing as negative steps. Therefore, the absolute value of negative 2 and 2 is 2. Now let's apply this concept to the question. Negative 8 plus 4 gives me negative 4. 3 minus 9 gives me negative 6. Negative 4 is 4 steps away from 0. So the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. And negative 6 is 6 steps away from 0. So the absolute value of negative 6 is 6. And you should always try to organize your work as I am doing here. Now the expression that we had is equal to the absolute value of 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 gives us negative 2 and the absolute value of negative 2 is positive 2. And that is my option D.